Hello, and welcome to this quick demonstration of the image compressor with Imagify module. This module helps you compress images directly from the back office of your PrestaShop store using the Imagify API. It can optimize product images, category images, brand and supplier images, store images, theme images, module images, other image folders, and custom directory images. Let's start with the module settings. First, you need to enter your API key. You can get the API key from the official website of Imagify. Next, choose the compression level. There are 3 optimization levels available: normal, aggressive, and ultra. Normal keeps image quality as close as possible to the original, but the file size reduction may be smaller. Aggressive provides stronger optimization and is usually a good balance between image quality and file size reduction. Ultra gives the maximum optimization, but it may affect image quality more. For important images, it is always better to test first before compressing the whole store. The option Compress Original Images allows the module to compress the original uploaded image files. The option Compress PrestaShop Generated Images allows the module to compress thumbnails generated by PrestaShop, such as product image sizes used on category pages, product pages, carts, and themes. You can choose which product image formats should be compressed. If you want to optimize all generated product image sizes, keep all formats selected. You can also choose which image file types to compress: JPG, PNG, WebP, or all supported types. The minimum image file size option lets you skip very small images. This is useful because very small files may not save much space, but still use your API allowance. The Excluded Directories option lets you enter folders that should never be compressed. This is useful for temporary folders, design source folders, or any folder you want to protect. The module can also skip images connected to disabled products, suppliers, or brands, where this check is supported. It can also skip images of products whose visibility is set to nowhere. For automatic compression, you can choose which image groups should be processed by CRON. If you select Custom Directory Compression for CRON, you can enter one or more custom folder paths. You can also filter images by creation date and choose which image groups should use this date filter. After configuring the settings, save them. For the first test, it is best to start with only a few images by choosing Selected Product Images. This allows you to test the compression result safely before processing a larger catalog. In this demo store, I do not have many products, so I will show the compression of all product images. I will click Compress Images and choose Product Images. The module now analyzes product images and finds image files that can be compressed. After the analysis is complete, review the number of images found and start the compression. The module sends images to Imagify one by one using browser-based AJAX requests. You can pause the compression, resume it, or continue later from the history table. When compression is complete, the history table shows the result, including the number of compressed images, failed images, size before compression, size after compression, and total size reduced. Now open the images log. Here you can see each image separately, including the file path, size before compression, size after compression, and status. If an image fails because of a temporary issue, file permission issue, connection issue, or API issue, you can retry it later from the log. For larger stores, you can use CRON automation. CRON can process images automatically in smaller batches, so you do not need to keep the browser open for large catalogs. When product images are enabled for CRON, newly saved product images can be added to the pending compression list and processed by later CRON runs. It is important to note that this module uses the Imagify API. The API currently offers a free plan with 20 megabytes per minute ONTH. And additional API usage is managed by Imagify according to their pricing. Also, compression replaces image files with optimized versions in the same location. Before compressing a large store, always make a full file backup and test first with a small group of products. That is the basic workflow. With this module, you can reduce image file sizes, save disk space, optimize generated thumbnails, process custom folders, review detailed logs, and automate image compression with CRON. Thank you for watching.